little ones, good morning. How are you all? It's story time. Name of the story is The Monkey and the Crocodile. Now, once upon a time, there were two friends, a monkey and a crocodile. Yes, the monkey lived on a mango tree. Can you see this tree? Yes, a mango tree from where he used to pluck the mangoes and eat it every day. And his friend crocodile lived in the lake nearby, and the monkey used to give the mangoes to the crocodile also. Now, crocodile used to take those mangoes to his wife, Mrs. Crocodile. And one day, when crocodile took the mangoes to Mrs. Crocodile, she said, "Wow, yummy, yummy, yummy mangoes. I love these mangoes. They are so sweet." So Mr. Crocodile said, "Do you know who has given me these?" She asked, "Who?" Then the crocodile told her about his friend, his sweet, sweet friend, Monkey. And Mrs. Crocodile said, "Wow, if the mangoes given by the monkey are so sweet, then the monkey itself and his heart would be very, very sweet." And she demanded that, "I want the heart of that monkey." Mr. Crocodile was deeply in love with her, and he said, "Sure, my sweetheart, I will bring the heart of my dear little friend monkey. For you, I will sacrifice." And he went to the lake top and near the tree. And the monkey was sitting there waiting for his friend, and he started throwing the mangoes into the lake. And that time Mr. Crocodile said, "Dear monkey friend, I wanted to invite you at my place for dinner. Would you like to come? My wife has made lots and lots of new recipes for you. New dishes are there for you. Would you like to taste?" The monkey was very happy after listening that. Monkey said, "Yeah, sure, why not? I will also come along with you for the dinner today." And happily he jumped and sat on the crocodile's back, and they started their journey from there to crocodile's home. Crocodile said on the way, he couldn't just control because he was very, very honest. He said, "Dear little monkey friend, I want to tell you something, that I love my wife a lot, and she has asked me for your heart. I am taking you so that she can eat your sweet, sweet heart." And the monkey was very afraid. He thought, "What to do now? I am stuck." But he was very clever, and he got an idea quickly. He thought, why not to tell and make a story? While sitting on Crocodile's back, Monkey said, "Oh, my dear, my friend, Crocodile, I have forgotten my heart there on the mango tree itself. You should have told me before. I might have taken it along. But then, what can we do? Let's go back and I shall take my heart back and bring along." So the honest and sweet crocodile, he said, "Okay, dear friend, if that is the case, let's go back to the tree." And he returned back to the tree. And the moment they got near the tree, the monkey jumped from crocodile's back and jumped on the branch of the tree and told crocodile, "Ha ha ha ha, crocodile friend, can you ever think that a living being can live without a heart? Oh, so foolish of you. But now I am not going to come along with you, and your wife will never have my sweet, sweet heart." And that way the monkey saved his life because he showed his presence of mind. Yes, you can also show your presence of mind and can do anything. Yes, the presence of mind is the most important thing. Okay, so I hope you liked the story. Bye-bye.